So UPS has just delivered my UD970 back from CVE and Samsung Repair. They claimed that there was nothing wrong with it, and then my good friend Elmer in the warranty department claimed that they had repaired the bezel. Now if you look right here, the bezel is still, it's even worse. It's the third time, so for God's sake, these people, this is terrible. Look at this. They claimed that the bezel was replaced because they had damaged it the first time that it had been repaired. Now the bezel is even worse. I don't know what that is over here. That's plastic, or whatever that piece of plastic is right there. As you can see right here, the bezel's disaster. Not only is the bezel messed up, there's a deep scratch right here in the bottom left hand corner. So needless to say, Sean is very unhappy right now. So I'm about to get on the phone with Samsung and let them know. Okay, so not only is the bezel damaged and the screen scratched, I've just plugged it in and this is what it looks like on the right hand side. This monitor is totally damaged now. Look. Oh, man.